Messaging is a top-down kind of decision that requires your personal attention. It can't be left to the rank and file to figure it out. It has to come from above as crafted, approved, and clearly defined. Your marketing message is fundamental to your strategy as a brand because it convinces customers to do business with you rather than send them to your competitor. You need to demonstrate that you understand your target audience, understand their problems, and have a trustworthy solution. If the messaging on a project is out of step with the rest of your organization, bad things happen. The point is, make sure that you have buy-in from the top. So, what's the story you want to tell? What are the beliefs and ideas you want to convey? Why should your target audience care? How are you going to captivate them with a clear and enticing message? Well, I'm going to tell you. Showcase the personality of your brand. Create an emotional connection. Demonstrate to the customer what's in it for them. For example, be the software company that says nerds rule the world and deserve a cool brand. Be the restaurant that says, I see you people with dietary restrictions and non-mainstream food preferences. Be the local airline that says, we go everywhere the big airlines won't because that's where we're from and we care about these communities. In the next video, we're going to talk about how you say it with tone and style.